The Iyaniwura Palace, Iba, in a Federal local government area of Osun State, was the venue of the 3rd Zonal Assembly of Network of Kings from Osun countrysides, where about 200 royal fathers who are members of the organization converged for the launching of the Osun State chapter of the Ooni Ojaja program on Truancy and also celebrate the 51st birthday of the revered monarch. In his keynote address, the Osun State Governor, Senator Ademola Adeleke, who was represented by the Commissioner for Information and Public Enlightenment, Oluomokolapo Alimi, saluted the noble vision of the group in fighting the menace of truancy in schools, noting that it speaks to one of the most pressing challenges bedeviling the country. He described the royal fathers as critical partners in grassroots governance, urging them to take ownership of community education and youth orientation.
As a government, we are investing in education, youth empowerment, social welfare, but we recognize that policy alone are not enough. We need the influence and moral authority of our traditional rulers to mobilize parents, encourage school attendance, and promote values that sustain peaceful and progressive communities.
In his speech titled Initiative for School Engagement, a call for action to the traditional rulers, the Chairman, Board of Trustees, Network of Kings, and Director General Ooni Ojaja Program on Truancy, Ebru of Iba, Oba Adekunle Adeogun Oyedeji II, stated that the program aims to reduce the incidence of truancy, perpetual late coming, and dropout among school children in all Yoruba-speaking states in Nigeria through collaboration with schools, parents, and the communities to identify and address the root causes of truancy, providing supportive intervention and resources to ensure every child has the opportunity to succeed and reach their potential.
So we're in good position. As you can see, we're distributed across the entire land. We're everywhere. So anywhere you find school, definitely you find traditional rulers. The schools they are in their specific domains. So we felt that we could work with the school system, and the government, of course, to control, to address that issue.
Professor Mike Adeyeye from the Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, who delivered the 3rd Assembly lecture on the challenges of traditional rulers in addressing social issues and the possible solutions, a case of truancy prevention, school enrollment and engagement in Yoruba land, stated that a high number of out-of-school children in Nigeria, especially in the northern part of the country, is the leading cause of insecurity bedeviling the nation, just as he identified lack of parental care, broken homes, poverty and conducive school environment, insecurity among others as some of the causes of truancy. Professor Adeyeye maintained that the involvement of traditional rulers in the fight against the menace in the southwest would go a long way in promoting a culture of dedication and moral education.
When we have the majority of our youth out of school, it could create a problem of social delinquency, out of school children, and then they become menace to society.
There were remarks from the Commissioner for Education, Honorable Dipo Eluwole, the President, Yoruba Council of Obas, Molokun of Atijere Kingdom, Oba Samuel Adeoye. Other speakers who gave their goodwill messages included the representative of Jowa Obokun of Ijesha land, Oba Kende Oyeleye Ogboni of Ipole Ijesha, Jowa of Igbajo, Oba Ademola Makinde, and the Allah of Ila Ijesha, Oba Adewale Ojaro Tade, who gave the address of welcome as the president of the Network of Kings from Osun countrysides, among others.
We can see what is happening in the north right now. The level of illiteracy contributes mostly to the high level of insecurity happening in the north. And we wouldn't want that to extend to Yoruba land.
Initially, they used to say that Osun is the home of out-of-school children before the coming of Adeleke. But recently now, there is another narrative. Last year alone, we gained additional 11,000 new enrollments in our schools.
Oluchi Amuda, OSBC News.